Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 GMC Yukon. This vehicle comes in white metallic paint with black alloy rims. We also have front and rear privacy tint, a rear bug deflector. We also have the rain guards on the rear and front windows, black leather interior, all-wheel drive, running boards, and a V8 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the Yukon, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our padded black leather, chrome door handle, and lock and unlock button. Down below we have our padded leather armrest, rear window locks and rear child locks, automatic power windows for front and rear, power mirror adjustment with joystick, and power mirror fold-in. Below we have a wooden trim, as well as our memory seat option, Bose speaker, and storage on the side of on the lower portion of the door panel. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and power lumbar support adjustment. And off to the left of the steering wheel we have a few controls here. We have our heads-up display adjustment, our info, as well as our brightness setting. Then we have our traction control, pedal adjustment, lane departure warning, and our park assist. Below we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive system, daytime running lights, and interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. We can adjust what is displayed on that screen with the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. We also have our voice commands and phone hang-up, brushed aluminum throughout the steering wheel, GMC badge in the middle, and off to the left we have our heated steering wheel option, front collision alert, and cruise control. The steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with gray stitching on the underside. Then we have our infotainment screen, which displays our audio, phone, as well as projection for our phone and our navigation. We also have our settings, text reader, as well as our 5-station presets. The unique thing about this infotainment screen is if we press and hold this button here for a couple of seconds, it does fold up, revealing a USB and textured rubber on the bottom, and a bit of a hidden storage area, especially for charging your phone. Below that we have our our volume controls. We also have our eject for our CD player located just down below. Our dual zone climate controls. You can see we have 2 heated seat options and cooled seats for driver and passenger. And down below our front climate controls, we have our rear climate controls, 12-volt charging port, and 2 USB ports, storage, as well as 2 cup holders, and our padded leather center console lid with phone holder. Inside we have plenty of storage room with 2 USB ports and auxiliary input, opposite a 12-volt charging port, so plenty of options for charging inside of the GMC. The front seats are also featured in black patent leather, with perforated leather in the lower portion, as well as gray stitching. And then on the rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls. Above that are dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, power liftgate controls, as well as a sunglass holder and rear mirror, and the sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our black alloy rims with blacked out GMC badge center caps. We also have Yukon featured in the side in chrome. Our running boards, lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles featured in chrome. You can see we do have rear and front privacy tint, our SLT badging, and around to the blacked out around in the back we have our blacked out GMC badge and Yukon badging. Power activated liftgate. Once inside, we do have storage and a storage net. Off to the right, we have a 12-volt charging port and the controls to fold down the rear bucket seats and rear 60/40 split bench. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Yukon, we'll take a look at our rear passenger door card, which also features our chrome door handle, our padded black leather, padded armrest. We also have our cup holder, window switch, wooden trim, storage, and speaker down below. Rear of the front seats, we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console, we have our power outlet, 12-volt charging port, and rear climate controls, as well as rear heated seats for the 2 bucket seats, and storage underneath. Again, we do have 2 rear bucket seats, also featured in black patent leather with perforated leather and a leather armrest. Moving down the aisle to our rear 60/40 split bench, offers 3 seats, as well as the same patent black leather with perforated leather. And we have off to the side, on the right, a cup holder, and off to the left, 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging port. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2019 GMC Yukon. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.